Sis, I have never written a book and I don't know where to start. Ever heard those words before? I certainly have. And in this series, I'm going to be doing some coaching, basically addressing some of the questions that I have heard from people who've contacted me about writing a book that will allow them to tell their story, spread their message, or share the knowledge that they have. So people who've reached out to me, people who've worked with me, I'm going to be sharing with you the coaching that I offer to them. My name is Naima B. Robert. I'm an award-winning author of almost 30 books for children, teens, and adults, and I'm also a book coach. Let's get right to it, okay? This issue of never having written a book is really completely normal, because most people that you know have not been taught at any point in their lives about what it takes to write any of the books that we have on our shelves. We may have done some creative writing in school. We probably did some essay writing in school or university, but writing a book is quite a different endeavor. It's a lot more challenging. It takes a lot more in terms of investment, right? In terms of energy, in terms of resources, in terms of time. So the first thing is that if you don't know how to start, it's completely normal. Most people don't. But hey, I'm going to share with you how to start, right? So that you don't leave this video with the same question in your mind. How I get all my clients to start their book writing process is with an intention. I get them to interrogate their why, because it's super important. Why are you trying to write this book? Firstly, are you trying to share your own story, your personal story, or story of family or somebody that you know? Are you trying to share a message with your readers? Are you calling them to action on something? Or are you trying to spread knowledge? So that's almost the first thing to ask is, what is it that I'm trying to achieve? And then, what is my intention with this? Why am I doing this? Is it to build a legacy? Is it to help other people? Is it for the purposes of securing sadaqah jariyah, right? Is it because I want to build my business? Is it because I have always wanted to be a writer and it would be a dream come true? Get clear on your why, because that's the starting point for the rest of your process. And really the process that I teach after I've got my clients to think about their why is now their what. What is this book going to be about? After you've done your intention work, that is the next stopping point on the journey. What is this book going to be about? And when I say that, I don't mean in a vague way. I mean really getting specific about your topic, what you're going to write about, what you want to share in terms of lessons, in terms of learnings, in terms of tools, in terms of principles, in terms of stories, whatever it is. Let's get clear on that. Let's get clear on whether this book is for a family audience, people who love and know you, or is it for a wider audience? Is it for people who are potential customers, for example? Is it for people in your own community? Is it an academic book? You want to be thinking about what this book is going to achieve once it's out there, inshallah. And what I use with my clients to enable them to answer these questions is our brilliant book roadmap. It asks you all of the important questions for you to be able to start to get clarity on why you're writing this book, what this book is going to be about, and the next steps for you. So if you think that that will be useful, then simply click on the link below this video to download the roadmap. I offer it to everybody for free, or just comment roadmap on this video and we'll send you the link to download it. But really, when it comes to starting, a lot of people think that, I need to start writing, right? And I don't agree. I actually don't think that it's healthy or helpful for you to start writing without having thought through your why and your what and your how. All right. And that's what I share in the roadmap. Before I get my clients to do any writing, they need to do the heavy lifting of really thinking through the book, planning the book, because once they've done the planning process, they have literally like a skeleton of the book, and they have a roadmap. So they know exactly what they need to be writing about. They know what they don't need to be writing about. It allows them to complete their book within that 90-day period that we offer them in the program. And alhamdulillah, it's a process that has been working so far. We're on our way, inching our way to our 222 authors that we intend to celebrate by the end of the year. So in sum, I hope that's been helpful. I hope that's answered that particular question if it was on your mind. If you want to know more about working with me, get the roadmap firstly, and then send me a message, send me an email, send me a DM if you'd like to find out more about working with us in the program itself. But for now, I'll see you on the next one. Jazakallah khairan, and keep writing. Remember, your book is your legacy, so get it right.